This brief video provides an overview of the features, maintenance history, current condition, price, and how and where to view and test drive this 2016 Nissan Rogue. One of the best features of this Rogue is what you will not have to pay for after acquiring possession. This is revealed towards the end of the video. This auto may be a great option if you desire to avoid potential tariffs on new cars and used car parts. All known details about this 2016 Nissan are shown in this video. First of all, this Nissan Rogue all-wheel drive is a one-family owner. The exterior is a beautiful blue-red. It has a satellite antenna with the ability to connect to a cellular network. The Nissan SV Premium package includes a 7-inch color touch screen display, Nissan voice recognition for navigation and audio, heated outside mirrors, heated front seats, blind spot warning, moving object detection, a power liftgate, and more. It also has a power panoramic moonroof package with privacy glass and roof rails. The interior color is Nissan's charcoal, with the original front floor mats have been replaced with the WeatherTech brand. The original Nissan floor mats remain in the second row seating. It has the 39.3 cubic foot cargo space with the rear seats in use, and a 70 cubic foot with them folded, allowing for transporting a large amount of cargo. This Nissan model supports a 170 horsepower, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine with automatic transmission. The original data sheet from the Nissan stated 28 miles per gallon combined city highway. Included is a backup camera, front airbags, anti-lock brakes, and an electronic stability system. The overall vehicle safety score is 4 stars out of 5. Frontal crash scores for the driver is 4 stars out of 5, and the rollover rating is also an excellent 4 out of 5 stars. This is a non-smoking, non-pet car. There are no tears in the upholstery, and even normal wear is not obvious. The mileage as of this video is 82,890 miles. No lien is attached to the automobile. The title is clear. The tires are brand new, installed November 21st, 2024, along with a front-end alignment performed. Nissan maintenance service is up to date, and all service tickets are available for review. The car has never been in an accident nor a fender bender. Okay, well, what's wrong with this car? First, it's a used car. It's not a new car, but there are no obvious scratches, dents, or hail damage. If you look closely, you might notice a few tiny imperfections, such as small parking lot pings. At the end of this video is a list of maintenance items that you will not have to perform immediately after buying this car. How to buy this car? Interested parties wishing to inspect and drive this impeccably kept automobile will be by appointment. You are welcome to have your mechanic perform an inspection. The purchase transaction will take place either at my bank or your bank in front of a bank officer. If you prefer, a check for the agreed amount will be accepted. The car and title will not transfer until the financial instrument clears. To schedule an appointment, send an email to GaryRobertBell@gmail.com. In the subject line, put 2016 Nissan Rogue. Also include how you wish to be contacted. The location of this car is in the Denver, Colorado metro area. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. You may, however, want to stay tuned for what you will not have to pay for after purchasing this Nissan. There are several recent maintenance expenses you will not have to incur immediately upon buying this car. Here is a list of them.